guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty. So my motto is simple beauty, the easiest way possible. So if you are interested in things like that, keep watching. So today we're gonna do a full face of cream products. I know sometimes they can be kind of intimidating, and so we're not gonna do any eye makeup, really just some mascara, but I wanted to show you guys how to do cream products on the skin. So I have already sprayed my face with some cucumber water. This is the Pearlessence brand, and I like to get that at Marshall's. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love the CeraVe lotion. And I am accumulating some dark eye circles. Not really sure where those are coming from, but we're gonna cover those up. So we're gonna start with Glossier Skin Tint. Gotta really shake it up because it's very liquidy. A lot of people do not like this. Well, I want to say foundation, it's not foundation. Some people do not like this BB cream because it is so thin, but I really do not like wearing foundation on my skin. So this really just evens out the redness. That's basically all it does. It does not give any sort of coverage at all. If you do want more coverage, you can use a CC cream. I really love the It Cosmetics one. The Dr. Jart one gets a lot of great reviews, or you can use your regular foundation. So we're going for cream products, so it really just comes right out. Very liquidy. I just use my fingers, and then I will use my favorite brush to kind of pat that in. So as you can see, it's not really giving me much coverage. It really is just evening me out. I've been in the sun a lot, so this is the medium. And this is definitely too light for me now, but we're gonna pat it in and we're gonna bronze up the skin. So hopefully this will kind of melt in and not look so light. Oh wow, I am tan. Woo, that's wild. Okay, so this is the It Cosmetics foundation brush. This is the Valentine's Day one. It's a little heart. It's beautiful, beautiful. You can still buy the foundation brush and it's super soft. It's like a freaking teddy bear. I mean, this is so white. Woo! All right. Now I'm going to use a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, and I'm still kind of trying out the Milani one. Let's see if I can get this camera to focus here. Probably not, huh? Ooh, there we go. Retouch and erase. Do not squeeze this near your eye. Oh my gosh, bad idea. From experience, trust me. So I just squeeze a little bit on my finger, warm it up a little bit between the fingers, and then I'm going to press that in where my dark circles are, and then I like to go around my nose. And this is where I put my concealer when I'm not wearing any BB, CC foundation or anything. Wherever your dark circles, wherever your redness, wherever your blemishes are, that's where you would go with your concealer. If you use a heavier foundation, you really don't need a concealer, and everybody's a little different. Like I said, I don't really wear it much, so this is where I need my concealing. This is my Real Techniques favorite concealer brush. It's actually not for concealer. Ooh, there we go. And then I'll go back in with that It foundation brush to pat it all in. So just pat and press into the skin. And then I use that foundation brush to kind of pick up the excess. You can do that with a beauty blender as well. And again, you can do whatever level of coverage you want. I wanted to put on at least something resembling a foundation for those of you that do wear it, because most of my videos are just concealer and a lot of people wear a foundation. So, all right, so that's looking a little bit better. Pretend I'm not this tan. Also, this really shows the Glossier color range. I mean, this is a medium. The light I can't even wear. It's like freaking pale. All right, so I need to set under my eyes. A lot of people do not need to do that. I'm just gonna do that with a flat top brush. And that's it. No more powder anywhere else, because again, this is the focus on cream. So I'm going to do some cream. Now I got hair on my nose. Cream highlighter, and I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to use the NARS cream highlighter. I'm just putting a tiny, tiny bit on my middle finger because why not? So I'm going to put that starting kind of, we'll say at the corner of the eye, right on the cheekbone. You want to start with little bits at a time, and I like to blend this around. Some people don't like to go up on the temples. I really like that. So that looks crazy right now, but I'm just going to take my little beauty blender. I don't think this is the actual brand, beauty blender, and just tap that in. I like to do highlighter first on cream products especially, so that the other things blend in and it doesn't look like a white line. So same thing, gonna start at the corner of the eye. Should have put my cat band on. Tap that in. And just take up the excess. So that looks really pretty. I think even if that's all you wore, it would be beautiful. All right, then I'm going to do a cream bronzer. The one I'm using today is Chanel. Ooh. And I am going to take my Real Techniques foundation brush. I like to use this one for bronzer or cream bronzer. I'm just gonna go in like that, because you can always use your beauty blender to tap it out, to tap out the excess. So you want to think that bronzer is to warm your face up. I am not using this to contour my face. I'm using this strictly to warm the face up. So what would your skin look like if you had just been outside all day at the pool, at the beach, in the backyard, gardening, whatever? Where does the sun hit you? So again, we're just gonna do little circular motions, and we can start out light. It's gonna, if your hair's back, it probably hits you at your temples. Again, we are not contouring. You can always add. It's way easier to add than it is to take away. Old school is you want to think 3s and E's. So you're making an E and a 3. And then sun hits you across the nose. So you can kind of go over the nose a little bit if you want. You don't have to do that. We'll buff that in a little bit more. Ooh, that's so much better. Man, that color, I can't believe how much tanner I got. Then I'm gonna take that beauty blender again and tap over. Probably really didn't need to do that with my nose because I'm already a little burnt. And one of my favorite things from Glossier is their Cloud Paint. This will last you your whole entire life. Let's see. Oh, 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 there we go. I want to try, there's some beautiful new colors, but this one is in haze. So really the tiniest bit. I'm going to squeeze it up a little bit. Woo! I'm going to put it at the back of my hand. That's way too much, so I'll probably use the leftover on my lips and then just put a gloss on top. So you can, again, you can always add, way easier to add than it is to take away. So I'm going to fish lip and then smile. And then start like at the middle of that right there. So a little further down than where I did my highlighter. And then I'm gonna go up my cheekbone, and this stuff dries really quickly. So I go in almost immediately with this sponge to pick up that excess and to blend it in. Oh, that's so pretty. Tapping it in. And then taking up the excess and mushing it into the skin. Mush, mush, mush. And then you just look in your mirror and see, where did I put too much? Where did I not put enough? Most people like subtle cheeks. Clearly I do not. Okay, and then there is so much left. I took way too much out of that. I'm gonna take the excess Put it on my lips. And I like this, the lip cheek combo, because it kind of ties it all in without having to do too much. And then I'm going to put a little bit of lip oil or lip gloss. This is the YSL one. I like it a lot. I mean, they're not going to stay put or anything. And then after this, you just do some mascara, eyebrows, and you're ready to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.